Hey and namaste. I'm Zay with the Xude Yoga, and this week we're going to be doing a flow on letting go and embracing change. As you can see, 5 years of hair is gone, and I had to prune. I had to truly let go of the traumas and the experience that my hair was holding on to. It was creating so many mental blockages. It was creating blockages even in my throat chakra. And that's what we're going to work on today, opening up the throat. So let's get into the flow. It's going to be very light, very gentle. We're going to sit in an easy seat, setting your hips into the earth, grounding self. From here, taking deep inhales through the nose, breathing through the stomach. Exhale out of the mouth, letting it all go. Letting your bodies vibrate. Inhale through the nose. Exhale, let it all go. Inhale. Exhale. Finding a tone to breathe in. Doing this for a couple more breaths. Let it all go. Maybe even tapping the throat chakra. From here, you can keep the eyes closed or gently focus the gaze in between the eyebrows, beginning to rotate the neck in either direction, keeping the shoulders above the hips, keeping yourself grounded into the earth. As you inhale, open up the throat, drawing the crown back, and as you exhale, bringing the chin to the chest, massaging the chakra, setting the intention. What boundaries are you wanting to put into place? What boundaries are going to help you thrive? Rotating for a few more breaths in this direction. Reverse it, rotating in the other direction. Really creating fire with the breath. Letting everything go out of the throat chakra. One last rotation. Inhale, drawing the crown back. Exhale, letting it all go. Coming back into a neutral spine. Let's move the shoulders, rotating them backwards, gripping onto the knees, keeping the hips rooted into the mat. a stretch all the way from the base of the spine to the tips of the shoulders. And rotating in the other direction. Massaging the shoulder blades. Massaging the side bodies. Allowing yourself to feel whatever comes up, and if nothing comes up during this practice, that's okay. Just as long as you remain consistent, you'll be able to unlock portals within the body that's necessary for you to clearly see and to clearly tune in to what's coming up. Now from here, we're going to interlace the fingers, placing them underneath the chin. The elbows are down at the side ribs. Closing the eyes. As you inhale, draw the elbows up, keeping the chin where it is. Extending the shoulders upward, extending the crown upward. Exhale, let it all go, joining the elbows together. The crown draws back. Inhale, drawing the elbows up, bringing the chin down to a neutral spine. Exhale, let it all go, open up that throat. Inhale, holding at the top of the breath. Exhale, let it all go. Draw the crown to the back of the mat. Clean house, empty the breath. Doing this a few more times on your own. Really letting everything go that's in the body that's unnecessary for you. Be loud. Inhale. One last exhale. Let it all out. And now coming back into neutral spine gently. Drawing the chin to the chest. And rotating the neck in either direction. Even move the shoulders. Just doing what feels good to you here. This is your practice, I'm just your guide. So any adjustments, any moves that you're needing to make, you have the freedom to make them. Just allow spirit to guide the breath and allow breath to guide the bodies. From here, we're going to inhale, send the arms above the shoulders, allowing the fingertips to extend upward, allowing yourself to feel the energy in between the fingertips, in between the palms, drawing the shoulders down and back, creating a flat spine. Inhale, extend upward. Exhale, lowering the left hand behind you. The right hand comes to the outside of the left knee as you gently twist. Straightening out the left arm. Keeping the shoulders parallel with the hips. Lengthening through the spine and looking over the left shoulder. Breathing through the stomach. Allowing yourself to expand in all directions. Allowing yourself to remain in stillness. a few more breaths on your own. You can even slightly draw the crown back. And rotate the neck gently and slowly. And coming back into a neutral spine. Placing the right hand behind you, left hand comes to the outside of the right knee as you gently twist. Keeping the shoulders parallel with the hips. Feeling the stretch from the root all the way up to the crown. Massaging this Kundalini energy. You can rotate the neck, drawing the crown back. Moving the crown towards the left shoulder. Coming back around, bringing the chin to the chest. Looking over the right shoulder. And then coming back into a neutral spine. From here, just moving the shoulders out from left to right. Allowing yourself to just move the lower spine all the way up to the upper spine. Let's bring the hands out and sway from left to right. You can move the hips, just making sure that you're swaying the crown. You're loosening up the throat chakra here. You're working on communication with self, with the universe, with Mother Earth, and that ripples out to the people around us. Allowing yourself to be abundant within communication. Here, tucking the chin into the chest. And gently rolling the body up, grabbing on to the ankle, pulling the chest forward, dropping the crown back. Breathing here, really opening up the heart and the throat chakra. Exhale, bringing the chin into the chest, curling the back, creating a C with the spine. Inhale, drawing back. Exhale, bringing the chin to the chest. Doing a few more on your own at your own pace. Allowing yourself to just be, to move freely. One last one. Inhale, drawing the crown back. One last exhale, let it all go. Rolling the body up, back into a neutral spine. Bringing the hands to heart center. Closing the eyes, focusing the gaze in the center of the eyebrows towards the third eye. Thank you for showing up for self. Thank you for being present, being light, being full of joy, allowing yourself to receive light, to receive joy, to receive peace. Just being. You are worthy. You are worthy of setting boundaries. You are worthy of sticking to those boundaries, to allow yourself to free up space within your life, free up space within the mind, the body, the spirit. Thank you again for showing up, for allowing me to shine my light. Namaste. Oh, I hope y'all are feeling so much more at ease, especially within this throat chakra. Practice this whenever you're feeling the need to open that up to communicate more effectively with yourself, with family, with friends, with the world. You can return to this practice every day if you need to. Make sure you subscribe, you press the notification bell. We'll be releasing videos every single Friday. And thank you all again for just showing up and for being present, for supporting Xude Yoga. Until next time, namaste.